why did Rahul Gandhi not go to the Ram temple? Why did he not go to the Ram temple so far till the elections in Wayanad are over? Is it because he felt that if he is seen to be going to the Ram temple, then the large Muslim population of Wayanad will not vote for him? Or that the Muslim League, with whom he has a partnership, will not like it? So in Kerala, you do Muslim appeasement. And when you come to Uttar Pradesh, where you abuse the people of Uttar Pradesh, abuse the people of Amethi, you want to be a Hindu just before going there. Right? We have to look at the demography, viewers. Large Muslim population in Wayanad. Rahul Gandhi does not go to Ram temple before the voting in Wayanad is over. It's not safe, you see, Kapil. It's not safe. Muslims will misunderstand. Muslims will misunderstand. So there you stay with Muslim League. Yeah. People understand what I'm saying.
I don't know, Arnab, what problem you have with our Muslim brother and sister, and I really don't know what problem our honorable Prime Minister have, with our Muslim brothers and sister. I don't know, what and why would our Prime Minister, would make a statement like, he made on Sunday, wherein he, in very, I would say, condemnable words, criticized the community for having more children, and that's also a baseless allegation that the honorable Prime Minister made. So I think these kind of drifting strategies, these kind of deviating strategies are being made, these kind of debates happening.
No, you could have gone to Ram temple. Point
just
is...
a minute.
Kapil, you could have gone to Ram temple before Wayanad voting was over. Would the Muslims of Wayanad not like it? No, I'm saying Muslims of Wayanad would not appreciate it. Muslim vote bank in Wayanad would not like it, so you have to finish appealing to the Muslim vote bank in Wayanad and then go to the Ram temple. No, the timing is very obvious. The moment Wayanad voting is over and you've got the Muslim vote, you then want to go to do temple hopping to the same Ayodhya temple which you abused and which you boycotted.
No. So what are you saying, abuse?
Abuse.
I take serious,
Doesn't matter if you do.
Make an objection.
Not just abuse.
No, I'm sorry, but you say that
not
abuse.
Just abuse.
You're saying that,
not just abuse, tried to block. You went to the Supreme Court, tried to block it, tried to block the verdict. You tried to block the verdict. You tried to block the Ayodhya verdict. You think people in Ayodhya, people will remember. People remember. He sent Kapil Sibal. They sent Kapil Sibal to the Supreme Court to block the Ayodhya temple. The priests of the Ayodhya temple should tell them when they go that despite your opposition, despite your blocking, the temple has been constructed.
Arnab, tell me how many times in a week you have visited temple. Tell me. Tell your viewers, how many times in a week do you visit a temple? Please tell me. Why there is a radio silence?
I have there's no question.
No, you don't have an answer.
I have celebrated with everyone the consecration ceremony. How dare you ask a question like that to a practicing Hindu?
I'm sorry.
How dare you ask a question like that to a practicing Hindu?
I am saying, no, you don't have
How dare you ask that question to a practicing Hindu? Did I boycott any invitation to the Pran Pratishtha? I did my job from the studios. You are fake Hindus. You have blocked the Ram Mandir. You have blocked the Ram Mandir. You've lived every single day. You've tried to block it. You have gone and said that Bhagwan Sri Ram does not exist. If you said Bhagwan Sri Ram does not exist, then why are you going to the Ayodhya temple? No, your belief.
Who said that? You please
The Congress said in an affidavit. The Congress in an affidavit in the Supreme Court said that Lord Ram does not exist, is not a historical personality. The whole world knows that. Now the thing is, everybody has filed. The government has filed it. The government of India. The government of India of Sonia Gandhi. When Sonia Gandhi was the proxy Prime Minister. Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister. What do you mean name the person? Repeating it like a nursery record out there. Nobody will forget. Nobody forgets Kapil, and nobody forgets. You are an anti-Hindu party. You are an anti-Hindu party. You have a clear agenda. You have a clear agenda. You are trying to do Muslim appeasement. You want a Muslim quota. And these are not the things that will be acceptable here anymore.
BJP does not.
With what face will you go to the Ram temple? With what face? My question is, with what face? आप क्या चेहरा लेके जाएंगे राम मंदिर में? आप वहां पे जाके बोलिए, भगवान श्री राम से माफी मांगिए कि हमने इस मंदिर के खिलाफ पूरी हमने प्रतिज्ञा ली थी कि कभी यह मंदिर नहीं बनेगी। बोल दीजिए भारत के लोगों को, बोल दीजिए।
आप क्यों नहीं गए?
भैया मैं एंकर करता हूं, स्टूडियो में काम करता हूं, ये मेरी भक्ति है, ये मेरी भक्ति है। मैंने कभी नहीं कहा कि भगवान श्री राम होते नहीं है, मैंने कभी नहीं कहा। आप सोनिया गांधी से पूछिए। अरे उन्होंने तो पालघर के साधुओं को जब मारा गया था वो कुछ बोल नहीं पाई थी। पालघर के साधुओं को जब मारा गया सोनिया गांधी ने कुछ नहीं कहा। सवाल मैंने उठाए थे, चुप रही थी आपको उस समय।